Are you on the hunt for the best AI tools for your YouTube videos? In the digital landscape, AI tools have become crucial in enhancing the quality of YouTube content, leading to higher engagement and views. Whether it's for video editing, SEO optimization, or thumbnail creation, the right AI tool can make a world of difference. Today we're here to simplify your search. We've put together a list of top-notch AI tools that can revolutionize your YouTube game. Stay tuned as we reveal the 7 best AI tools we highly recommend. First on our list is TubeBuddy. This powerful tool is a lifesaver for managing and optimizing YouTube channels. With advanced analytics, SEO tools, and automated publishing, it takes the guesswork out of content strategy. TubeBuddy is indeed a buddy for every YouTuber. Coming up next is VidIQ. This tool is a game-changer for YouTubers. With unique features like keyword research, competitor tracking, and video SEO, VidIQ offers insights that propel your channel to new heights. VidIQ is the intelligence your YouTube channel needs. Number 3 on our list is Canva. This powerful tool can transform your YouTube thumbnails and channel art into eye-catching masterpieces. Its user-friendly interface, coupled with an extensive template library, makes design work a breeze. With Canva, make your videos visually appealing. Fourth on our list is Grammarly. This tool is a lifesaver for content creators, providing AI-driven assistance to craft flawless scripts and descriptions. It checks for grammar, punctuation, and style, elevating the quality of your text. Grammarly ensures your content is always grammatically perfect. Next we have InVideo. This incredible tool empowers YouTubers to construct professional-grade videos in mere minutes. With its AI-driven video creation and editing features, InVideo streamlines the video-making process, making it delightfully simple. InVideo, making video creation a breeze. Sixth on our list is Speechelo. This tool is a game-changer for creating voiceovers. Its AI-powered text-to-speech technology brings your scripts to life, transforming text into natural-sounding speech, perfect for those voiceless videos. With Speechelo, give your videos a voice. Last but not least, we have Pexip. This powerful tool revolutionizes video conferencing and collaboration. With AI-powered noise reduction and virtual backgrounds, Pexip ensures your meetings run smoothly no matter where you are. Pexip, making collaboration simpler. That was our list of the top 7 AI tools for YouTubers. We've explored TubeBuddy's optimization, VidIQ's analytics, Canva's designs, Grammarly's writing assistance, InVideo's video editing, Speechelo's voiceover capabilities, and Pexip's communication features. Each tool has its unique strengths that can significantly enhance your YouTube content and streamline your workflow. Harnessing these AI tools can elevate your channel, optimizing it for success. Remember, the right AI tool can take your YouTube channel to new heights. Until next time, keep creating.